We have covered Azul's Intelligence Cloud in the past, but let's focus specifically on how it helps MSPs and their customers in navigating the increasingly complex Oracle landscape, especially when it comes to licensing and compliance.
So one of the things that, again, if we go back over the last couple of years of certainly the aggressive stance that maybe Oracle's had in terms of the way they've been auditing customers and looking at their customer license use, particularly trying to move them from an infrastructure to an employee-based licensing model. One of the things that's come out of that is needing to understand actually what is being used, right? I sort of referred to this a minute ago, but it's changed. Customers now are, instead of just making knee-jerk reactions, oh, I don't want to pay for this renewal, or I want to find alternatives, or I'm under audit pressure from Oracle, or they are harassing me on a sales call. What we've been finding is that customers are a little bit more considered now, and they're looking for expert type of services to find exactly where their Java is installed and being used. So that's where we help, because we built this technology intelligence cloud 3 years ago, really, and it's only really now that it's actually coming to fruition in terms of its real value, because it does something very different. It doesn't look at what's installed. It actually looks at what people are using. So, and it looks across all of the distributions. It's not just Azul based. It looks at, Oracle. It looks at Red Hat. It looks at Corretto. It looks at IBM. It looks at Microsoft. It can really truly analyze Java use and come up very quickly within a short period of time, an exact perspective on what really people are looking to maybe consider licensing. So with that context and then wrapping around services, it's hugely valuable for partners to be able to deliver and interpret those results. I'm sure we'll come on to it in a minute, but that's really the key to this swap note, which is if a customer was using Intelligence Cloud directly, they'd have to have a whole internal team to figure out how to interpret the results. Partners are already doing that. They just want the tool sets to get to create greater intelligence, and that's exactly what we're providing them.